Hi everybody, 999 pops back at y'all again with another video. So like I said in my TikTok, this one's gonna be huge. This one's gonna be big. So I got with me tonight my buddy, one of my good friends, Hampton. Say what's up, Ham.
What's up?
And actually, the wife is actually recording tonight, so there she is. The first thing I have to announce is, I know I didn't make a video on it, so I'm gonna go ahead and announce it on this one. So Ralphie's Funhouse sent me a Eeyore fig pen that actually has their sticker. I think I put it on the wrong thing. I should have put it on the actual fig pen. I put it on the protector. But yeah, it's an Eeyore fig pen. Y'all go check them out. It's nice. They have a set of 4. They got a Pooh Bear, a Piglet, an Eeyore, and who's the other one?
I think Tigger.
Tigger. How could I forget Tigger? It's my papa's favorite.
They're $20 a piece.
No, this one's 20. The other ones are cheaper. I think they're like 15.
Got it.
So this one's 20, yes. And the others are 15 a piece. So go check them out if you like fig pens. This one's super, super detailed, and I took it out and it's super nice. So this is actually my first one, but yeah, I might start collecting these, maybe. Fig pens are cool. So yeah, I got that. And y'all go check out Ralphie's. Use my code 999POPS with 2 S's, 1. You get 10% off everything in the store, including mystery boxes. Awesome company, like I always say. That's usually who I get my sodas from. It's usually who I pull the most chases from is Ralphie's. So if you want to pull chases, check out Ralphie's. Anyway, I'm gonna make a few videos. Like I said, this one's gonna be big, so it's gonna have to be a few videos long. First, I'm gonna do the video that I actually got from the Funko shop, because I got from the Funko shop, I got 6 sodas, 3, I think this is Feel My Magic Mickey, and then 3 of the Jack Skellington snake going through his face. I really like both of them. So Shauna really likes this one. If y'all hear any background noise, I'm sorry, it's my child. So yeah. First we're gonna get to, let me know if the video stops. First, I'm gonna do Jack first. So let's go ahead and get into Jack. We'll put these aside, and I'm gonna probably do 10 per video. This one I'm only doing 6 because these are the ones that I got 3 a piece of. The other ones are just mystery boxes, so I don't know what I'm gonna get. So let's go ahead and get into Jack. His chase, I'm pretty sure, instead of a orange snake, it's gonna be a pink snake, and Jack's gonna be a different color. I think he might be green. Is Jack green? And the snake is pink. So here's the first one. Let's go ahead and, for good luck. Shauna really wants this one, so let's hope we can. Oh, I got him by the feet. Oh, he's stuck to the bag. Oh, it's the common. Just the common. He's cool though. You wanna check him out whenever I'm done, babe? I like the snake. That's super, super cool. Check him out. He's super, super cool, you guys. But yeah, just a comment. There's his pog. He's 1 out of 10,500. So there's the first one. All right, he's cool though. You wanna check him out?
Can I check them out?
Yes, you can.
Okay.
Just give us a second.
When I'm done, come back.
All right, go ahead, get the other one.
All right, thank you, son. All right, number 2. We should have picked which ones we thought was gonna be the chases. What you think, this one or that one?
That one.
This one? All right, guys, what we got for the second Jack? Oh, I thought there was, sounded like there was 2 pogs in there. There's sometimes We got just a common. I'll probably just give this to him. So another common. You've already seen him. Check him out again here. I should have seen the comment here. Let me get it just for the video. Nope, this one called. I'm gonna flip this one over so it's different. So you got that one. The bubble wrap will be over here. All right, guys. So the one that I thought was gonna be the chase. Can we get lucky? This is from the Funko shop. There's been a lot of controversy going on, but I'm not going to get into any of that because I'm going to stay positive. And this is going to be the chase. Watch. Let's go. Come on. Pink snake. Come on.
Nope.
Just a common.
Nope.
Another common. It's 3 commons. That's okay. He's still cool, and we ain't got him. So. All right, on to Mickey. It's okay. I got it. I honestly want Mickey more. It would have been cool to give his, but Mickey's is. I like the glitter ones. I know it sounds weird, but I like the glitter ones. So on the Mickey, let's go. This one looks a little odd. So we're gonna do this one first. Which one do you think, guys? The sticker's not on the can.
I don't know.
Uh-oh.
It's okay. Pull it off afterwards.
Yeah, we're gonna put the sticker on the can after, so at least we know it's not on there. All right, you guys. Philharmagic Mickey Mouse. These 15,000 pieces. I really like this one, so I'm really hoping we get the chase. I'm gonna give 1 comment to my mother-in-law, and probably another comment if we get 3 comments to my son. And what we got? Oh, well, rip some of the bag off. Not filled, no glitter. And yeah, it's just a common. Let me see. Hang on. There you go. Here's the Pog. 1 in 12,500. Let's hope we can at least get 1 chase out of 6. Let's hit the odds at least. Where's he supposed to go? Where's he supposed to go? This is stupid. I wish they just put stickers on the can.
You can do that after the video.
There's the first one. Just a common. Which one did you say this chase by?
I think this one.
This one? Alright, that one. So I guess I think this one is, and the sticker's not on the can again. That one felt a little odd. Probably no difference. Maybe not. I'm gonna do it down here for now on because I don't want to see it. I hate when you get stuck to the freaking bag. Just another common. Not looking too good. So, yeah. That sucks.
And I promise I didn't punch him in the face. He was giving our cat a bath, and he scratched him.
Cat like to took my eye out. Last one from Funko Shop. Honestly, not gonna say I'm surprised. That's where the magic's gonna be.
This is Chase right here.
Has to be. I really want this Chase. That one came off real easy. Should I do the pog?
Let me look at it.
Common. Oh, it's the Chase. Let's go. 1 in 6. 1 in 6. Oh, I seen it as soon as I seen his hat. Let's
I was trying not to
go.
show any expression on my face.
fit. We'll get out of the freaking black bag.
I bet he's gonna be pretty.
Oh, let's go. Oh.
Oh my God, he's beautiful.
Oh my god.
He is so pretty.
Okay, that's my favorite one that we have.
Wait till you see if we get Maleficent.
Move. That. Let me see.
Look.
He is beautiful.
Oh,
Wow.
yeah, show the camera.
Oh my god. But everything on him is glitter. His skin, his nose and his face isn't, but everything else, like his fur,
I'm
his
happy.
hat, his glove, everything is glitter. Even his conductor thing, everything is glitter. Let's go. 1 in 6, baby. Oh, I want him with the peace cannons for this one. Let's go. Here. Woo!
You're coming.
1 in 2,500. Glitter Philharmagic Mickey Mouse. Let's go. Success. 1 in 6. Like I said, if I was to get any of these, it would have been. I would have wanted him. So, let's go.
Okay. Oh, his suit is like navy blue. It looks navy blue compared to the common.
Oh, let's compare him. Hang on.
I wonder how much his Chase is worth.
I'm gonna put the Chase sticker on here.
He's beautiful.
So, 1 in 6, we got the odds. Let's go Funko Shop. Too bad we couldn't pull Jack, but hey, like I said, this thing is
Yeah,
beautiful.
I like it.
I love the glitter ones. We got the
Let's
Chase.
shine some light on it so they can see.
That's gonna be it for the first video, you guys. Funko Shop. She's showing it off. Funko Shop.
Like he's really
Jack
pretty.
from from Hot Topic exclusive with Snake coming out of his face, and Philharmagic Mickey Mouse. Stay tuned for the next few videos we're about to be posting, and see you on the next one. Peace.